Imagine waking up to an AI-powered personal wellness coach, one that tracks your sleep, recommends the best diet, and even detects stress before you feel it. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's happening right now. Today, AI-driven personalized wellness apps are transforming the health industry, creating a golden business opportunity for entrepreneurs. But how do these apps work? How do they make money? And most importantly, how much does it cost to develop one? Let's break it down, step by step. AI-powered wellness apps, the next big business trend. First things first, why are AI-powered wellness apps booming? Personalized health plans, AI tailors fitness, diet, and mental well-being strategies to individual users. Predictive health monitoring, it detects stress patterns, fatigue, and burnout risks before they happen. AI-powered scheduling, it syncs workouts, meditation, and rest time with daily routines. Emotional intelligence, AI reads emotions from voice and facial expressions, and suggests relaxation techniques. The AI revolution in wellness. Now, let's talk impact. AI isn't just tracking health, it's actively enhancing well-being across industries. Personalized health advice, AI analyzes heart rate, activity levels, and sleep to provide real-time tips. AI in hotels and spas, predicts guest wellness needs for custom relaxation experiences. AI in medicine and biotechnology plays a major role in drug discovery, medical imaging, and personalized treatments. AI for businesses automates customer service, appointment scheduling, and user engagement. Top AI-powered wellness apps changing the game. These AI-driven apps are revolutionizing health and lifestyle. Sleep apps, AI tracks sleep cycles and suggests improvements. Meditation and yoga apps, recommends personalized sessions based on stress levels. Nutrition apps, AI suggests diet plans and tracks calorie intake. Fitness apps, offers virtual coaching and personalized workouts. Mental health apps, AI-powered chatbots provide emotional support. Chronic disease management apps, AI monitors symptoms and provides real-time health updates. AI-powered wellness business model and revenue streams. Alright, let's talk business. These apps aren't just helping users, they're making serious money through multiple revenue models. Freemium model, basic features for free, premium upgrades for revenue. Subscription-based plans, monthly or yearly AI-powered health insights. In-app purchases, selling customized diet plans, workouts, and AI coaching. Corporate partnerships, collaborating with fitness centers, health brands, and insurance companies. Affiliate marketing, promoting health and wellness products for commissions. Cost of developing an AI wellness app. Now, the most important question, how much does it cost to build an AI wellness app? Basic AI features, around $50,000 to $70,000. Advanced AI capabilities, including machine learning and predictive analytics, costs $80,000 to $120,000. Full-scale AI wellness app, with real-time tracking and AI chatbots can go up to $150,000. AI-powered wellness is more than a trend, it's the future of health and lifestyle. Entrepreneurs who invest in AI-driven wellness apps today can build a profitable, impactful business. So, are you ready to launch your AI-powered wellness app?